Hey everyone, welcome back to Item Inc. Don't forget to hit that like button, drop us a comment down below, and subscribe to become part of our growing community. For more information on compatible models, check the description down below. Today, we will discuss how to replace the printer cartridge for the HP P3015 printer. And now, let's dive right into the video. Press the top cover release button and open the top cover. Remove the used print cartridge from the product. Remove the new print cartridge from the bag, and then place your already used print cartridge into the bag for recycling purposes. Grasp the front and back of the print cartridge to distribute the toner. Do this by gently rocking the print cartridge 5 or 6 times. But be cautious, do not touch the shutter or the surface of the roller. Align the print cartridge with the tracks inside the product, and insert the print cartridge until it is firmly seated. Close the top cover. After a short time, the control panel should display as ready. That's all for our quick guide on the HP P3015 cartridge swap. Hit that like button if it helped, subscribe for more, and check the description for more details. We'll see you next time at Item Inc.